Now let's solve the fifth sum. In this sum, we have to pass journal entries in the books of Siddhant. Here, Siddhant is selling goods to Sudhir. So first and foremost, we have to find out who is a drawer and who is a drawee. So Siddhant sells good on credit to Sudhir, rupees 43,800. Here, Siddhant is a seller and he becomes a creditor as his goods are sold on credit. Sudhir, the buyer, is the debtor. Then Siddhant draws bill on Sudhir, which Sudhir accepts. Now in this case, Siddhant becomes the drawer and Sudhir becomes the drawee. Now further, Siddhant is discounting the bill with his bank at the rate of 8%. So we have to pass entry for bill discounted. Then the bill is dishonored and Sudhir requests to renew the bill. So we have to pass the renewal entry, and we know that in case of renewal of bill, we have to pass 4 entries. Then the new bill which is drawn is retired by Sudhir. So we have to pass entry for retirement of bill. So let's see the journal entries now. The journal entries in the books of Siddhant, who is a drawer. The first entry on 18th of March for sale of goods. Sudhir's account debit to sales 43,800. The narration being goods sold on credit. Then on the same day, the bill was drawn and accepted by drawee Sudhir. So the entry for bill drawn is bills receivable account debit to Sudhir's account 43,800 being bill drawn for a period of 3 months. Then on the same day, Siddhant has discounted this bill with the bank. So we'll pass entry for discounting of the bill, bank account debit, discount account debit to bills receivable account 43,800. Now here, Siddhant has discounted the bill with the bank at the rate of 8% per annum. So on 43,800, 8% for 3 months is 876. The narration being bill discounted with the bank. Now on the due date, this bill is dishonored. So first we see how the due date is calculated. In the working note, the date of the bill is 18th March 2019. The bill is drawn for 3 months. So 3 months from 18th March is 18th June 2019. And after adding 3 days of grace, we get the due date as 21st June 2019. So this bill is dishonored and Sudhir is requesting Siddhant to renew the bill. So now we have learned in case of renewal, we have to pass 4 entries. The first entry for cancellation of the bill, that is the dishonored entry. Second, for interest due. Third entry for part payment. And the fourth entry for new bill. So the entry for dishonor of the bill is Sudhir's account debit 43,800 to bank 43,800 being discounted bill dishonored. Then the entry for interest, Sudhir's account debit 600 to interest account. Interest is receivable, so it is credited. We have to calculate interest on 30,000. Now here Sudhir is paying 13,800 in cash and the balance amount 30,000, a new bill is being drawn. So we calculate interest on 30,000 at the rate of 12% for 2 months. So that is 600. So the amount of interest is 600. So Sudhir is paying 13,800 in cash plus 600 in cash. So the amount of part payment is 14,400. The entry for this is cash account debit to Sudhir's account 14,400 being cash received. Then the entry for the new bill, bills receivable account debit 30,000 to Sudhir's account 30,000 being new bill drawn for a period of 2 months. Now this new bill which was drawn for a period of 2 months is being retired before the due date. So we pass entry for retirement of this new bill, that is cash account debit, rebate account debit to bills receivable account. Now the new bill is retired for 29,700. So 300 rupees is the rebate here and narration being retirement of bill. Then we take the total of the debit column and credit column, that is 1,90,200. I'm sure you have understood these entries, what we have passed. That's all for today. Thank you.